Jennifer, tell me about your treatments.
Well, I came in this last year with bulging discs, and I had done everything from acupuncture, massage. I went and got injections of steroids. I took oral steroids. Nothing was helping, and so I came in here with recommendation from a friend, and I did 10 sessions, and to this day I still don't have an ounce of pain. It probably went away. I would say the majority of it all went away within the third time. It slowly, progressively, and it was very weird because of how it just kind of went away, and after having it for so long, and I was pretty much on the floor.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's been quite a while. Was that like a year ago?
Yeah, it's been just a year.
About a
It's
year.
been about a year.
Right.
And then also some things I noticed too during that time was everyone was getting sick, and not only did my skin look better, I never got sick, I never got cold, I never got the flu. I felt so good for so long.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. And no back surgery?
No, and I was recommended I went to see a surgeon in Boise that I was gonna have surgery.
Which discs?
I can't remember.
Probably
Lower.
L4,
Yeah,
L5.
and all the way to the S, because I have
Yeah.
an extra vertebrae down there too, so.
S1,
Yep.
L4,
Yep.
L5.
Yep, it was all of them.
Right.
So yeah,
Yeah.
and I did everything I could and
Yeah.
found out about this and no surgery.
See a lot of it.
Yep.
It's great.
After I did 20 treatments of hyperbarics to help alleviate my migraines. And during the whole treatment, I noticed that I had energy again. I felt like I could do things, like I could go for hikes without getting a headache, because when my blood pressure went up, I didn't immediately get a headache, and I could ride my bike again, and I felt good. And I didn't realize how horrible I had been feeling for years. So I've been getting migraines since I was about 17 years old, and I'm 48 now. And I used to get a couple a year, and then I started getting a couple a month recently, which of course your quality of life just goes down the tubes. And so I found out, after I found out about hyperbarics and came here, 20 treatments. How long has it been now since I did my last treatment? Probably a couple months.
Yeah, about 2 months.
And I've had, I think, one migraine in the last 2 months.
And you used to get them every week?
Yeah, at least every week. And that one migraine, I think, was more caused from like a flu that was going around.
Right.
So I actually came in when I felt that migraine coming on. I came in and did one treatment of hyperbarics, and noticed I was still tired, and then realized I've got the flu.
Right.
But I never got the flu like everyone else around me had it for about a week, and I had it for about 2 days, and I was just simply sleeping. So I believe, knock on wood, my migraines have gone away.
Right.
At least if the last 2 months are any indication, and we'll see.
Right.
So
you're able to do the things that you like to do without the worry that you're going to have a migraine.
Yeah, absolutely. And just simple things like that. I didn't realize how I would plan my life around, I can't be in the sun for that long, or if I have a cocktail or talk to people too much, I'm going to get a migraine. Those kind of things were triggers for me.
Mm-hmm.
And now I can go do things, and I don't have that constant worry. And I'm not taking ibuprofen every single morning, and I'm not taking, anti-seizure medication, to help dull my senses. I feel really good.
Molly, you're back.
I am.
So what's happened?
I sprained my ankle. I double sprained it, high and low, 2nd degree.
Right. Okay. And so we're going to work on the inflammation on that and get the speed up the healing
Yeah.
on that. And you were in this last winter
Last winter for a concussion,
for a
yeah.
concussion. You're a ski racer,
Yep.
and you had a concussion.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did 5 treatments
Yes.
then
Yeah.
to get information down on that. And how'd that work for you?
After my 5th treatment, all the headaches were gone completely.
Great, great. And how has that been since then?
I haven't really had any headaches from that same area that I hit it originally. It's been great, completely gone.
Great, all right. Well, yeah, we'll see how this goes. I think we're gonna do really good. When did you sprain your ankle?
3 days ago.
3 days ago? All right, we're doing it, and we're gonna do, probably start out with 5 treatments and see how that goes. At least get the information down.
Hopefully, yes.
So Monty, tell us about your experience.
Well, the hyperbaric chamber was actually amazing for me. When I first came in, I had a huge pressure sore on my back heel, probably bigger than a quarter. And within the 10 treatments that I did, and just a few days after it, it was completely healed. Now, because I'm in a wheelchair, my circulation or my healing on my feet takes so much longer. If I had not done that hyperbaric chamber, I know it would have at least taken 8 months to a year. I mean, it takes so long for everything on my feet to heal. So, I mean, it was nothing short of miraculous to me.
Great, great. And so what's going on the last time?
So then, just less than a year later, I had another issue, and I had a pressure sores on my toes from, we don't know exactly what caused it.
But in between your toes?
Inside of my
Real
toes,
tough
my
spot.
pinky and my 4th toe on the inside, and really deep, all the way to the bone on my 4th toe. And so we did another series of 10 treatments, and they're still healing, but the other, on the pinky and the other ones that I had were almost completely healed. And the one on the 4th toe, which was to the bone, has filled in immensely. And it'll take probably just a couple more weeks of the continued healing, and it will be, I mean, it looks amazing compared to,
Yeah, it's
What-
much better than when you came in.
it was, I
Fantastic.
was really scared. I mean, I was at the point where thinking amputation was what was gonna be next.
Yeah, and unfortunately that happens a lot. But yeah, I'm glad you got in, and yeah, looking forward to seeing it completely healed.
And we'll get there, but thanks so much, Phil, for making it possible. I think we're really lucky in this community to have this opportunity here and to be able to get in.
It's our pleasure.